Everyone's talking about AI chatbots. But the real AI race? It's happening in factories, on roads, and in warehouses. And China might already be winning. January 2025. A Chinese lab called DeepSeek released a model matching GPT-4. Cost: a fraction of what American companies spent. Nvidia stock tanked $593 billion in one day. But forget the chatbots for a second. Look at the hardware. Unitree's humanoid robot does backflips, kung fu, and warehouse work. Price tag: $16,000. Boston Dynamics charges $2 million. That's not a typo. 125 times more expensive. On Chinese streets, self-driving taxis are already a thing. Baidu's Apollo has done over 17 million rides. Not tests. Actual paid rides. Meanwhile, in America, still stuck in regulatory limbo. Western tech has the hype. Meta, Amazon, Google, billions in AI investment. Products that actually ship? That's another story. BYD just overtook Tesla as the world's largest EV maker. Not by a little, by a lot. After US sanctions, Huawei built its own AI chips. They're not playing catch-up anymore. They're building their own game. Chinese AI companies trade at a fraction of American valuations. Same tech, different price tags. The question isn't whether China can compete. It's what happens when they start exporting at scale. $16,000 robots. 17 million robotaxi rides. While we debate, they ship.